In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and manage forms in TurboTax Online. Let's start by heading to the official TurboTax website and signing into your account. Make sure you're on the real site before entering your login details, and use a secure connection for your privacy. Once you're in, look for the option to continue working on your current tax return. This brings you back into your existing file so you're not starting from scratch. When your return loads, focus on the left-hand menu. If that sidebar looks minimized, hover or click to expand it so you can see all options clearly. Find the section labeled Tax Tools and click it. This area is designed to give you quick access to deeper settings and behind-the-scenes controls, which is exactly what we need next. After selecting Tax Tools, a small submenu will appear. Click on Tools. This opens a pop-up window with a set of helpful shortcuts. You'll see an option that says something like View Tax Form, or a similarly named link that takes you directly to the actual IRS forms behind your return. Go ahead and select that. If the wording looks slightly different, don't worry. Look for any option mentioning forms or viewing forms. It serves the same purpose. The screen will switch to what's often called Forms mode. Here you'll see a list of every form currently included in your return. This view is especially useful if you want to understand how information is flowing, confirm that a particular schedule is present, or quickly jump to a specific document rather than clicking through interview questions. From this list, click any form title to open it. You can review the entries line by line, and where allowed, you can edit fields to correct or refine your information. Take your time and make sure numbers match your source documents. If you spot a form that doesn't belong, maybe it was created by an earlier entry you decided not to use, you can choose to delete it. Just be cautious. Deleting a form can remove data that other parts of your return rely on. If you're unsure, review the form first or note the form name before removing it so you can re-add it if necessary through the guided questions. That's it. By signing in, continuing your return, opening Tax Tools, selecting Tools, and choosing the option to view your forms, you can confidently see, edit, or remove forms right inside TurboTax, giving you more control and clarity over your tax return.